Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product insights and reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best kettlebell set cast iron neoprene available on the market. The RitFit neoprene-coated solid cast iron kettlebell, specifically the 15LB Sky Blue variant. Let's jump right in. Right out of the box, the RitFit kettlebell impresses with its durable build and smart design. This isn't your average fitness gear. It's crafted from solid cast iron. No welds, no weak spots, and definitely no seams. That means it's incredibly robust and built to endure the toughest workouts without compromising its shape or safety. But strength isn't all. What sets this kettlebell apart is the high-quality neoprene coating. This vibrant sky blue neoprene layer isn't just for looks, it serves multiple purposes. It enhances grip, protects your floors from damage, and reduces noise when you set it down. So whether you're working out in your home gym, garage, or even on hardwood floors, you don't have to worry about leaving dents or marks. Next, let's talk about the handle, a feature that can make or break a kettlebell. RitFit gets it right with a contoured, smooth texture handle that offers a secure, non-slip grip even during high representative workouts. And here's the best part, you won't need chalk. That's a big deal for those of you who prefer to skip the mess and get straight to lifting. The balance between texture and comfort allows for both single-handed and double-handed movements with ease. One of the often overlooked features of kettlebells is the bottom design. The RitFit kettlebell comes with a perfectly flat bottom. That small detail adds a lot of stability when you're doing floor-based exercises like renegade rows or pistol squats. Plus, it makes storing them a breeze since they won't roll around or tip over when placed on a flat surface. Now, let's talk functionality. This isn't a piece of equipment you use once and forget about. The 15-pound weight makes it an ideal mid-range choice for users who are either new to strength training or adding variety to their existing workouts. You can use it for swings, deadlifts, goblet squats, Turkish get-ups, and snatches. Essentially, it's a one-stop tool for full body conditioning. Whether your goal is weight loss, endurance, or strength training, this kettlebell fits right into your routine. And for those of you who value aesthetics as much as performance, the color-coded options make these kettlebells easy to identify, especially if you're building a collection. The sky blue of the 15LB option stands out without being overly flashy, and you can tell RitFit put thought into blending form with function. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and durable kettlebell that offers serious value for your money, the RitFit neoprene-coated cast iron kettlebell checks every box. Whether you're just starting out or deep into your fitness journey, this is a product that can evolve with you and keep up with your workouts. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product insights. Got questions or want us to review another piece of fitness gear? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.